Good evening. Our vision with Ivan Open Source Cloud is to make open source accessible and more available for everyone, not only developers. And today I'm going to demonstrate how we will set up our own infrastructure for low latency video streaming using open source components and tools that is made available in Open Source Cloud. And these are one of many tools that we have enabled and made accessible for easier to use. Just clicking a few clicks of a button and you are up and running. You don't need to know anything about Docker, container, Linux, and cloud infrastructure for that matter. So let's start by logging in and creating an account. I will check my mailbox for I'm gonna create my team, call it OEC demo. This is obviously something you don't have to do every time. And it's asked to start a tour, but we'll skip that for now. Next thing we're going to do is to create this Symfony Media Bridge. The Symfony Media Bridge is an open source project that is used for WebRTC streaming, we can call it. So it's something that's called a selective forwarding unit. I'm not going to go into details exactly what that is, but this is the component that actually will distribute the video stream, to simplify it. So I'm going to create this SFU, call it demo. We can set a key, which we also call demo. And this key is to protect this endpoint, basically. So not everyone can access it. Great. Then we're going to set up our playback endpoint, connecting that with this media bridge, so we can enable this, so we can make it available for the video players. I'm going to create that. And then we need to create a gateway or an endpoint for our publishing tool to publish the stream to, what we typically call is an ingest. So we'll set up this ingest, we can call it demo, connect it to the media bridge, have the password, then we connect it to the playback endpoint and we press create. All right. So the next thing is I'm going to copy this URL to this ingest endpoint. I'm going to go to OBS, it also is open source. I'm going to go to settings, RP Swedish. I'm going to enter the URL to this ingest endpoint, and then I need to add this a little bit long string API/v2/whip/sfu-broadcaster, and then the parameter channel ID and demo. It's a bit of a handful. We can see if we can make that a little bit easier, but that's how it works now. So we can create OK, and then I can start streaming. So now I'm publishing the stream to this endpoint. So now let's go to the playback endpoint here. And we can open a WebRTC player that's compatible with the protocol web. And we're going to play the channel demo. Then we press play. And yeah, and that's it for tonight, for this episode. And stay tuned and we'll get back to you for more. And the links to the service or the platform you can find in the comments below, and just give it a try. Thank you for your time.
Welcome to Ivan Open Source Cloud, your gateway to a world of open web services. Imagine a cloud service where every component is built on open source software. With Ivan Open Source Cloud, you can explore and evaluate top-notch web services without the need to manage your own hosting environment. Our platform offers you the freedom to choose. Use the services in the cloud today, and if you ever decide to bring them in-house, you're free to do so. There's no vendor lock-in, just pure open innovation at your fingertips. From storage and databases to media services, development tools, testing frameworks, and even a Minecraft server, our catalog is as diverse as it is dynamic. New open web services are continuously added every week, keeping you at the forefront of technology. Join us on this journey and experience the power of open source like never before with Ivan Open Source Cloud.